Hi, everybody. Hola a todos. This message is for you. This invitation is for you to participate in the online mentorship programs. I've been hearing all your requests, and here it is. We start on June 1st, 2020. I'm going to share my experience as a dancer, teacher, and choreographer for 30 years with you. Because during this time of the pandemic, you need guidance, and you're not alone. I'm here with you. So on Mondays is this special workshop for Barrater, where we met once a week during the entire month of June for 3 hours, and then I give you homework so you can develop work during the week. On Saturdays, we will meet for the choreography composition workshop, also for 3 hours, and I'm gonna give you homework. You can enroll in the workshop separately or together. I am here to help you to enhance your craft, your technique, and your creativity. Just look at the details and don't hesitate to contact me. I am here for you.